Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Vultr, a powerful cloud computing platform that's changing the game for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're a developer, a small business owner, or just someone looking for a fast and reliable hosting solution, Vultr has you covered. Vultr is a global cloud computing platform with data centers located all around the world. This means you can get lightning-fast speeds, low latency, and the ability to host your applications and websites anywhere in the world. One of the key advantages of Vultr is its simplicity. With Vultr, you can spin up a new cloud server in minutes, no matter what type of application you're looking to run. Whether you need a powerful dedicated server, a load-balanced cluster, or just a simple virtual machine, Vultr has you covered. But it's not just the ease of use that makes Vultr such a powerful platform. Vultr is also incredibly affordable, with plans starting at just $2.50 per month. And because you only pay for the resources you use, you can keep your costs low and your profits high. Another great thing about Vultr is its scalability. As your business grows and your needs change, you can easily scale up your resources on Vultr, without any downtime or headaches. Whether you need to add more memory, storage, or computing power, Vultr makes it easy to do. So there you have it. Vultr is a powerful, flexible, and affordable cloud computing platform that's perfect for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're looking to host a new application, run a website, or just need a fast and reliable server, Vultr is the perfect solution. Thanks for watching.